Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and tap on Next. Here, let's tap on Add Account, and if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, we have to add it right now, so just tap on Add It. Confirm everything with your screen lock and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and then tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and then tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. Just mark the options which you wish to update and tap on Confirm. Then go to Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off to avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now and confirm of course everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.